Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a website whereby you can apply for your FSJ or BFD for 2025. Okay, let's get into it. So, the website or the organization is called Bethelia. This organization offers different places where you can do your FSJ or BFD. So, what is FSJ and what is BFD? Both of these are programs that you can do in Germany. Here, you volunteer in a specific place. It can be in a hospital, in a old home, in a kindergarten, anywhere. You choose where you want to work. So, I'm going to show you the steps. Also, this organization takes applicants all over the world each year. The program normally takes place in September, from the 1st of September. Okay, so for by now, by the time you're watching this video, the applications for this year are already over, but you'll get placed for next year. It is better if you start your application early. So just simply go to Google and type in Bethelia. Okay, then you come here. Yeah, so the website is normally in German. You can just change it to English, okay, so that you can understand the website better. Yeah, so we have here apply. Okay, you can go through this video shows you different places where you can do your FSJ in this organization. Okay, so here are good reasons why you should apply this organization. The opportunity to get involved and help others. It's a volunteer program. Use your year of education and experience in the FSJ for career orientation. So before you decide which career you want to venture in, you can do an FSJ before that. You will receive a salary of 743 euros per month. This is a pocket money, not really a salary, because it's a volunteer work. We cover your full social security contribution. This is insurance. An FSJ with us offers the possibility of maintaining your entitlement to child benefit. With us, you get 31 days of vacation. So the volunteer year, as it's called, it normally goes for 1 year. Yeah, you can decide to do it for 6 months or extend it for 18 months, but it's normally for 1 year. Okay, so in that 1 year, you'll get 31 days of vacation. You can have your FSJ counted as a waiting semester for university place or a pre-internship and guided internship in social professions. So before you go into a career, you can do FSJ so that you can decide, is this really what you want to do? You get experience, you get exposure. We accompany you personally, competently, and in seminars throughout the year. So during the FSJ program, you have seminars and everything. Together, we'll find the most suitable area of application for you. As I've told at the beginning, that in Bethelia, you can do your FSJ in different places. It can be in a school, in a hospital, in an old home. So while you're doing your application, they will help you choose where you want, where you feel comfortable, and where you're interested in. Even if you're over 27 years old, you are welcome to join us BFD. So we normally have something called FSJ. This is called Freiwillige Soziales Jahr. So here is for people between 18 to 26 years. And if you're 27 years old and above, you can still apply to the program, because there's another program called BFD, which is just the same thing. It's just that the names are different. Okay. So you can go through the website if you want to learn more about the program, the organization, and everything. Then you can come here to apply. Yeah, so here I'm applying for Bethelia. So here it states the Bethelia is designed for to last 12 months. It starts on August 1st, September 1st, or October 1st of each year. You can apply for a Bethelia here. So the first field that you're supposed to fill is the desired date. You're going to choose the date between August 1st, September 1st, or October 1st, the date which you want to start. Then you'll come to personal information. You choose your gender, salutation, first name, last name. Yeah, all these applications. You make sure the ones that have this red star, they are very important. And for you to continue with the application, you have to fill them in. Then you have the deployment request, in which area of operation and region would you like to get involved. So here is where you want to work. So Bethel here, it's an organization that is all over in Germany. Yeah, so you can choose the places where you want to do it. It can be Bielefeld or East Westphalia. It can be here, different place, Berlin, where you want to do your Bethel here. Okay, then we have here a very important part, my profile. Have you already done volunteer work? So for you to have a better chance of getting this place, you need to have done a volunteer somewhere in your home country. The volunteer can be as short as 2 weeks. So you can, if you are interested to do it in an hospital, you can just walk in your local hospital, tell them you like to volunteer, and then they'll give you a recommendation letter at the end. Then you can come here and fill. How did you become aware of the Bethel? Yeah, you choose the any here, whatever you like to fill. So miscellaneous, if you have anything to fill here, you can fill here. So then we come to more documents. More documents is very, very important and crucial, because these are the documents that will help you get a place. Okay, now here we have an address. Okay, so you can either decide to send them by post or just send them here. Okay, so they're saying here, if you receive these documents within 4 weeks, the request date will be considered the application date. Okay, so the requirement that you need while you're applying for this program is a motivational letter. A motivational letter is a letter, yeah, a 1-page letter, or a 5 to 6 paragraph letter expressing yourself why you want to do the program in the organization. Okay, so this letter has to be written in German and it has to be personalized. Okay, I'm going to talk about motivational letter in another video. You also need a CV. A CV is your curriculum vitae, yeah, or a Lebenslauf. So here it's just your normal CV, but it has to be in the German format. The difference between other CVs and the German format is, for the German format, it has your photo, a passport photo somewhere. I'm also going to do a separate video for this, and this CV has to be also in Germany. So here for last testimonial is, for example, ati nini kwa simu? Pesa. Ati nini kwa simu? Sugar. No, nilete 500. So let's go to the last testimonial. Testimonials are the recommendation letter that you'll get after volunteering, of if you have ever done any volunteer. Then miscellaneous, you need to put in your B1 German certificate. While applying for this volunteer program, you need to have learned German, and that is B1 certificate. And if you don't upload it here, when they testimonials are the recommendation letter that you'll get after volunteering, of if you have ever done any volunteer. Then miscellaneous, you need to put in your B1 German certificate. While applying for this volunteer program, you need to have learned German, and that is B1 certificate. And if you don't upload it here, when they review your application, they will most likely ask, yeah, for it, for you to send them so that you can proceed. Okay, and then you're going to agree to and consent, and then send. And then of course you'll receive your application after they have reviewed. Okay, the maximum time they can take is 2 months. Yeah, they can take 1 month or 2 months. It depends on how many applications they have received. And after they have received your application, they will send you an email. There's somewhere here you filled your email address, so they will send you an email inviting you for a interview. So you need to be very, very prepared for this interview, because this interview you are going to be speaking with the leaders of the organization. They're going to ask you questions that you need to answer, and also a disclaimer: the interview will be done in German. Okay, that's why they need a B1 German certificate, because you'll be working in an environment where there are Germans. Yeah, they're Germans, and their official language is German, not English. So that's why the German certificate is very, very important. So I hope that you have learned something from the video. I'm going to put the link to this website in the description box. Make sure to click on it and try your luck. If you have any question, you can write them on the comment sections below. And choose.